Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So we have this question number 6 today. What is it? What is this saying? Which of the following numbers is not the sum of two or more consecutive whole numbers? Consecutive positive whole numbers, it says. Okay. So what will we do here? We need to look at the numbers. If we look at 5, what is 5? 5 is 2 plus 3. Consecutive numbers means the numbers which come after each other, like 1, 2, 3 are consecutive. 2, 3, 4 are consecutive numbers, right? So we need to see whether we have any number here that cannot be represented as sum of two or more, not only two. We need to check more as well, two or more consecutive positive whole numbers. Okay, so consecutive whole numbers are only positive. Okay, so 6 is what? 2 plus 4 is not 6, so we need to see consecutive numbers. If I see 1 plus 2 plus 3, so I can write it in the sum of consecutive numbers. If I see 7 can be written as 3 plus 4. Okay, if I see 9 can be written as 4 plus 5. All of these can be written as this. But if you look at 8 can be written as 4 plus 4, not consecutive. If you look at 3 plus 4 plus 1, these then they are not consecutive because it should be 2 here for consecutive numbers. So this is the answer. This 8 cannot be written as the sum of two or more consecutive whole numbers, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy. We just need to look at the details, look at the things, okay? If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to watch more such videos, please visit my channel for that. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.